My name is Anuradha. I live in Delhi. I belong to Indian Information Service. That's a part of Ministry of Information, Government of India. It was about 14 years ago when I was first diagnosed with breast cancer. One day I felt a lump in my breast. The lady doctor tested the lump and it came out to be a cancerous lump. I didn't know anything about breast cancer or any cancer for that matter, neither about the treatment nor about the side effects or the consequences of the treatment and the disease itself. I underwent 3 cycles of chemotherapy, then surgery, and then again 3 more cycles of chemotherapy and then radiation for 25 days, and it all took around 10 months.
Platelet counts went down, white blood cells were depleting, some medical interventions were there.
And I had really bad side effects of chemotherapy, but I overcame.
Cancer happened to Anuradha, but we all gone through that trauma, that all the problems, all the difficulties we faced as a unit, single unit.
I had great family support. Because of that support only, I think I could sustain.
She really faced the dreaded disease boldly and fought it fearlessly.
I'm an advanced breast cancer patient since last 6 months. It was summer time and as usual I was going to for swimming. So one day when I came out of the pool and I was driving back home, the seat belt hurt me here. I thought this is because the skin has become sensitive, softer. The next morning when I went to office, again felt this same pressure on the one part which was pressed by the seat belt. So I thought there is something wrong. So I instantly went to my doctor. So there the doctor suggested me a bone scan. The next evening I got the report which said I have metastasis. When I came to know about my advanced breast cancer, the first question that came to my mind was my survival. So the doctor said that my cancer was limited to bones and it had not spread to any vital part, any visceral part. I extensively used internet to know about the cancer, to get the information, latest information about it, the research.
Pain, trauma, we all feel that, but we have hope that things will move in the right direction.
My husband was all through with me, every second, every minute, every turn of my life. He did more than what I did actually for myself. The biggest challenge for me at this stage is to manage the pain in my bones. Advanced breast cancer had impacted me physically slightly. I don't think now I'll be able to climb mountains or even uneven surfaces would be bad for me. Patient is not comfortable with oneself, himself or herself, and again the doctors are also not very hopeful, and they also fail to give positive vibes to patients. That's what I feel. Cancer patients understand their body and they know that they have to look forward to better things. They have to be positive. I thought I should write about my story through cancer, how I was diagnosed, what all the consequences. I wrote all these experiences in this book, which is in Hindi. It is called इंद्रधनुष के पीछे पीछे एक कैंसर विजेता की डायरी. So I'm happy that I wrote this book.
Her experience is being shared by so many people because she has published a book, and then she has organized the camps also so that others will be benefited by her experience.
आशाओं का इंद्रधनुष हम सब के साथ चलता है. इसके गहरे हल्के उत्फुल्ल उदास रंगों से बचकर कोई निकल सका है भला.